Welcome to Nova. Today we're going to show you how to log in and get your account set up and ready to use. First step is to click on your login. If you don't have an account yet up, you'll press the sign up. You can either create it using any kind of email you'd like and put in your password, or simply sign up using Google. First thing you do once your account is created is you can go to your account settings and simply put in the information such as first name. This will allow your teammates to recognize you, as this name will come up when you're getting added or assigned to projects. And then also add your industry and your position. So once that's done, then the next step would be to subscribe to Nova, and you'll be able to choose your different options either as a solo or as a team. If you're to subscribe as a team, you'd be the owner of that team, and you're going to be able to add a certain amount of people to that group. And so if you choose a team of 9, you go purchase Nova Teams times 9, and the prompt screen will come up for you to pay for the system. Once you've paid, you'll see that in your subscriptions page, it'll update with your type and the amount of seats that outside of you are included. From here, you can then add your team name. So you can choose whatever name you'd like here, and this is how you will identify the group of people that you'll add. And then in order to add your teammates, you'll have this link. Simply send them this link, they can click it and then sign into Nova, and they'll be added as a current team member. Team members can be added and removed at any time by just clicking the X's or rejoining through a link such as this. And that's all we have to cover today.